Each year, on every continent and in every ocean across the globe, there are millions of animals that undertake remarkable journeys that sometimes extend for thousands of miles. This awe-inspiring natural phenomenon is called animal migration. Whether it's a herd of wildebeests galloping across the Serengeti or a monarch butterfly fluttering toward Mexico, migration is one of nature's greatest spectacles. But why do animals migrate? How do they navigate such long distances? And what challenges do they face along the way? Let's dive in and explore the world of animal migration. Animal migration explained. Nature's epic journey. Animal migration is the large-scale movement of a species from one habitat to another, typically in response to changes in seasons, food availability, or breeding needs. Unlike short-term movements or dispersal, migration involves a regular, often cyclical journey that can span vast distances. Migration is not limited to one group of animals. It's seen in birds, mammals, fish, insects, amphibians, and even crustaceans. Migration is driven by survival and reproduction. Here are the primary reasons animals migrate. 1. Food availability. With the changing of the seasons, there is the potential for food sources to become limited and scarce, impacting the availability of food. Animals migrate to find better feeding grounds. For example, caribou migrate across the Arctic tundra in search of fresh grazing land. Humpback whales travel from polar feeding grounds to tropical breeding areas. Two, breeding and reproduction. Some animals migrate to specific breeding grounds that provide ideal conditions for raising their young. Salmon swim upstream from the ocean to freshwater rivers, where they were born to spawn. Sea turtles return to the exact beach where they hatched to lay their eggs. 3. Climate and weather. The shifting temperatures that occur throughout the year can cause significant changes to certain habitats and make them unsuitable for life during specific times. Arctic terns travel from the Arctic to the Antarctic to stay in summer conditions year-round. Four, avoiding predators or disease. Migration can help animals avoid areas with high predator populations or disease outbreaks. Migration varies in form and distance. Here are the main types. 1. Seasonal migration. This is the most common type, where animals move with the seasons. Birds like swallows migrate south in winter and return in spring. 2. Reproductive migration. Animals migrate to specific sites to mate or give birth. Gray whales migrate to warm lagoons in Mexico to give birth. Third, nomadic migration. Some animals wander in search of food or water without a fixed route. Elephants often follow seasonal rain patterns in Africa. Four, vertical migration. Organisms, especially in aquatic environments, move up and down in the water column daily. Zooplankton rise to the surface at night and sink during the day. One of the most fascinating aspects of migration is how animals know where to go. Scientists believe they use a combination of sun and star positions. Birds use the sun by day and stars by night for navigation. Earth's magnetic field. Species like sea turtles and salmon can sense magnetic fields. Landmarks and smells. Many animals rely on physical landmarks or even smell to find their way. Inherited instincts. Some species are born knowing migration routes without being taught. Let's look at some record-breaking migrators. 1. Arctic tern. Holds the record for the longest migration, up to 44,000 miles round trip from the Arctic to the Antarctic. 2. Wildebeest. Over 1.5 million wildebeest migrate in a circular route through Tanzania and Kenya, one of the greatest wildlife spectacles on Earth. 3. Monarch butterfly. These delicate insects travel up to 3,000 miles from Canada to Mexico, often over multiple generations. 4. Leatherback sea turtle. They can migrate more than 10,000 miles across oceans for breeding and feeding. 5. Modern challenges are making migration increasingly difficult. Habitat loss, urban development, agriculture, and deforestation block traditional routes. Altered weather patterns disrupt food availability and timing. Light pollution can disorient nocturnal migrators like birds. Roads and fences fragment migration paths, especially for land mammals. Luckily, there are conservative efforts being made worldwide to protect migratory species and their routes, such as protected corridors. Wildlife corridors and flyways help animals move safely. International treaties. Agreements like the Convention on Migratory Species promote cooperation across borders. Tagging and research. Tracking devices help scientists understand migration and identify threats. The phenomenon of animal migration is a breathtaking display of nature's power, highlighting the animal's incredible endurance, innate instincts, and their capacity for remarkable adaptation to challenging environments and circumstances. These journeys represent more than simply traveling from one place to another. They are crucial for survival, essential for growth, and highlight the intricate and delicate balance present within ecosystems. Because the survival of migratory animals is intrinsically linked to the health of the planet, understanding their needs and protecting them from threats is absolutely vital for the well-being of both species and ecosystems. Whenever your eyes are graced by the sight of birds in flight overhead, perhaps a flock passing by, or even a lone butterfly dancing on the breeze, consider that what you are witnessing might just be a small piece of an incredibly long and wondrous journey. We kindly request that you subscribe to our channel to enjoy more captivating nature videos similar to this one, and your subscription will also greatly contribute to our channel's growth. Don't forget to like and share this video to spread awareness about the wonders of animal migration. Thanks for watching.